Hey guys, Brandon with Great Escapes RV here. Just wanted to give you a quick tip that could save you a trip to the dealership. So some of the things we see a lot of are people who complain, my lights work, my microwave's working, but this outlet's not working. So a lot of times it's a very simple fix. It's your GFI in the bathroom. So I'll show you how to reset that now. So when you come into the bathroom, you're going to be looking for the outlet that has buttons on it. And sometimes they have lights, sometimes they don't. But if you look really closely, you'll see one of the buttons says reset. So when I push that, my light goes away, and now my outlet should work. There you go. So I'm Brandon, and this has been your quick tip to save you a trip.